Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. Rajendra Chavan, Assistant Professor in Zoology, Mahatma Gandhi Art, Science and Lit NP Commerce College, Armory District, Gadchiroli. Let us see what is codominance. It is nothing but the non-Mendelian inheritance, or it is nothing but the exceptions to the Mendelian inheritance. Real life is so different. Then Joseph Collier explained the exception to the Mendel's law. Previous video I explained that incomplete dominance. In incomplete dominance we already studied red variety cross with the white variety. Then F1 generation will be the pink. That is the different. This incomplete dominance, it is the exceptions to the law of dominance and law of segregation also. Codominance is also, it is an example, well-known examples of the exceptions to the law of dominance. So codominance is believed to be a violation of the law of dominance. When both alleles of a pair are fully expressed in a heterozygote, when both alleles of a pair are fully expressed in a heterozygote, called it as a dominant allele. Co means together, such allele exhibit unique pattern of expression with heterozygous being phenotypically distinguishable from both of the homozygous and expressing both alleles equally. It is a subtype of non-Mendelian inheritance. In heterozygous, both alleles shows their effect equally. The alleles do not show blended phenotypes. So codominance, it is also known as a no blending inheritance. In codominance, the recessive and dominant traits appears together in a phenotype of hybrid organism. That means when a red variety cross with the white variety, we obtain the mixed hybrid. That means the both characters, recessive characters and dominant traits which appears together. These two characters which appears together in the F1 generation. Such inheritance is known as a codominance, or this is a non-Mendelian inheritance. It is the exceptions to the law of dominance. And codominance is nothing but the no blending, that is no blending occurs. Alleles do not show blended phenotypes. Such traits is known as a codominant traits. Let us see the popular examples which explain the codominance. Codominance is what? A condition in which the both alleles in a heterozygous organisms are expressed. Both alleles contributes to the phenotypes. The two alleles do not blend, but are rather both are present in the offsprings. There are certain examples. First example, that is the checkered chickens. Second example, that is the roan horses, roan cow, variegated flower, and other examples are explained here. That is the blood group, sickle cell anemia, then tabby cats. Such examples we will explain here. Let us see the first examples, that is the checkered chickens. black colored chickens which is crossed with the white colored chickens. Then in the F1 generation we obtain the checkered chicken. That means capital BB cross with the small capital BB cross with the capital WW. Then F1 will be capital B, capital W. That means the mixed type of hybrid generation which obtained here in the codominance. Different. But here in the codominance, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio which will be same. So this is the exceptions to the law of dominance. Second example, that is in roan horse, chestnut horse which is crossed with the white horse. Then we obtain in F1 generation, that is a roan horse. Chestnut and white color in horses are both dominant traits. The heterozygous individuals is a Polomino, that is a golden color, or roan horses, that is known as a roan horses. The phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is same. So this is the examples of codominance. Third examples to explain the codominance, that is in roan cattle. White color cattle cross with the brown color cattle. That means capital WW cross with the capital BB. Then we obtain F1 generation, that is capital B and capital W, that is a roan color. That means the patches, white and brown color patches which is found on the body of that organism in F1 generation. So this is the well-known examples of the codominance in the roan cattle. Then examples, most popular example, that is the variegated flowers. When white color flowers which cross with the red color flowers, then F1 generation will be the, that means the mixed color. It may be white and red mixed color, that is the genotypes which obtained in F1 generation. In some instances, certain traits are codominant. That means that one traits cannot win out over the other. From the traits in the offsprings, both traits show up equally. F1 जनरेशन में दोनों भी traits equally show करते हैं. In rhododendrons, pink is dominant with white. This plant displays codominance across a pink rhododendron, capital P, with a white rhododendron, capital W. Then we get the F1 generation is mixed type generation. The both traits shows equally in F1 generation. That is known as a codominance. Codominance in human blood. Let's see. When two alleles are both expressed together, that is known as a codominance. There are four different types of blood groups: A blood group, B blood group, AB blood group, and O blood group. Let's see the genotype of blood group A, that is capital I, capital A, capital I, capital E, and also capital I, A, capital A, and small I. This is also a genotype of blood group A. Then blood group B has also two genotypes, that is capital IA, capital B, capital I, capital B, capital I B, capital IB, and capital IB and small I. This is also a genotype of the blood group B. But the blood group AB has a single genotype, that is capital IA, capital IB. This is the genotype of the blood group AB. AB is a codominant traits. AB is a codominant traits. Then the blood group O has the genotype small I. Capital IB codes for the enzymes that attaches galactose to the RBC. Capital IA codes for the enzymes that attaches the acetyl galactosamine, capital A, to the RBC. Small I codes for inactive enzymes. Let us see the examples is here. Complete the cross with a father and mother that both have type capital AB blood. What percentage of their offsprings could receive H blood group? Then A blood group percentage will be 25 percentage, B blood group will be received 25 percentage, AB blood group which receive 50 percentage, and O blood groups which receive 0 percentage. This result in 4 blood group types, that is A, B, O, and the blended AB. AB is a codominant traits. Then let's see the examples of codominance in sickle cell anemia. In codominance, heterozygote have their own phenotypes. This gives rise to different proportion amongst offsprings of some genetic crosses. Codominance caused by the abnormal hemoglobin, the protein that RBCs use to carry the oxygen. You know that normal hemoglobin is designated by capital RR, sickle shaped blood cells which designated by capital SS. The people who have carries heterozygous for the disease, this is a mixture of both normal and sickle cell. Then we obtain the ratio as per the cross of sickle traits, that is HB capital N, HB capital S, cross with the HB capital N, HB capital S. Then the ratio will be 1:2:1. Let's see, this is the ratio capital HBN, capital HB S, and capital H small b N, capital S small b N. HB, that is known as a hemoglobin. S stand for sickle cell. Then we obtain the ratio, that is 1:2:1. That is normal 25%, sickle traits will be 50%, and sickle cell anemia offsprings will be 25%. This is the examples of codominance, and this is also a exceptions to the law of dominance. Then here is the cross between the sickle cell, that is it show the cross between the individuals with the sickle cell anemia and another who is a carrier but not sick. The genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio is 1:1. This is the same ratio which obtained into this cross. Such cross is known as a codominance. Let's see the difference between the incomplete dominance and कोडोमिनेंस. इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस में क्या देखा था हमने? इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस में देखा था अगर रेड कलर वेराइटी क्रॉस विद द व्हाइट कलर फ्लावर, रेड कलर फ्लावर वेराइटी क्रॉस विद द व्हाइट कलर फ्लावर्स, then we obtain a pink color. that is known as a incomplete dominance. अगर red color flower cross with the white color, then we obtain the mixed type. That means the two colors, two traits together, that is known as a codominance. This is a simple diagrams which explain the difference between the incomplete dominance and codominance. Let's see the difference between the incomplete dominance and codominance. Incomplete dominance, that means effect of one of the two alleles is more conspicuous. That is known as incomplete dominance. Effects of both the alleles are equally conspicuous. That is known as a codominance. That means equally conspicuous. That is known as a codominance. And here is effect of one of the two alleles is more conspicuous. That is known as a incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, it produces a fine mixtures of the expression of two alleles. In codominance, there is of the expression of the two alleles. In complete dominance, the effect in the hybrid is intermediates of the two alleles. In codominance, both the alleles produces their effect independently. Incomplete dominance, which express the phenomenon, is new. It has no alleles of its own. Codominance, the expressed phenotype is combinations of two phenotypes and their alleles. In incomplete dominance, the incomplete dominance allele has a quantitative equivalent effect. For example, Mirabilis jalapa, Antirrhinum majus. This is the example to explain the incomplete dominance. And codominance, that is quantitative effect is absent. For example, AB blood group alleles of the humans, roan color, that in cattle, in horse, we will explain already in this video, that is the codominance. Okay. अगर आप हमारे चैनल से नए हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपके सामने मैं बताने वाला हूं. कंप्लीट डोमिनेंस एंड इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस क्या होता है. let us say there are two alleles for the hair color traits, that is red and blue. Questions for the incomplete dominant is, what would be the resulting phenotypes of heterozygous pairs if the alleles shows incomplete dominance. क्या मिलेगा अगर रेड वेराइटी क्रॉस विद द ब्लू, रेड वेराइटी अगर ब्लू वेराइटी से अगर क्रॉस करती है तो आपको कौन सा मतलब F1 जनरेशन क्या मिलेगा. द F1 जनरेशन विल बी द पर्पल इज अ F1 जनरेशन. एंड कोडोमिनेंस में क्या मिलेगा, रेड एंड ब्लू पैचेस. ओके, देन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, result of the incomplete dominance leads to. incomplete dominance में क्या होता है, there is a intermediate phenotypes. This is the result of incomplete dominance. In case of codominance, the product is produced from the both of the alleles. That means this is the product which is produced from the both of the alleles, and this is a intermediate phenomenon, intermediate phenotypes. It is the result of incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance, it is clear that the dominant alleles does not suppress the recessive alleles and thus blending occurs, and an intermediate is formed. It is a non-Mendelian traits. In codominance, the case is not that like as incomplete dominance. Here blending does not occur, rather another product is formed which is neither recessive nor dominant and contain gametes of both dominants and recessive gametes, and all products come in proportion. Some MCQs are here. Pink flower is an example of. that is the incomplete dominance. Okay. Checkered chicken is examples of codominance. अभी हमने पढ़े हैं. Blood type is an example of that is codominance. True or false बताओ. Father can pass sex-linked traits like color blindness on to their sons. That is true. A blood has the genotype capital AA and capital A, capital O. That is also true. Then some MCQs questions are here. Both alleles are truly expressed. That is known as a codominance. Exhibits Mendelian patterns, complete dominance. That is, this is the complete dominance, which is not examples of codominance. Pink flower, it is not examples of the codominance, but it is examples of incomplete dominance. A variant of genes that is known as alleles. It means the alleles occupy the same locus are different. That is known as a heterozygous. A genes by which the ABO blood group system is controlled is classified as gene capital I. The kind of situation in which the alleles of the genes pairs are expressed completely by themselves, it is called it as a codominance. The examples of deviation from the law of inheritance proposed by Mendel's includes that is evolutionary and incomplete dominance. Situation in which no allele is dominant over the other, it is called it as a incomplete dominance. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you very much.